Ever wonder why someone yawns? And suddenly you do too? This isn't boredom, it's your brain copying other brains. Yawning is controlled by a part of the brain linked to empathy. So when you see someone yawn, your brain thinks, same state detected. It mirrors the action to sync the group. That's why yawns spread more between friends and family. Even reading or thinking about yawning can trigger it. Your brain fills in the image and hits replay. Here's the weird part. If you don't catch yawns easily, studies suggest you might have lower emotional mirroring. Yeah, your yawns might expose how connected your brain really is.